How to do velocity edits automatically with CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your CapCut. Here we go. Tap on this option of new project. Your gallery will open up. From here, select the video in which you want to apply this effect. Here I will be selecting this one video. After you select it, tap on the option of add. Now at the bottom you'll find different options as edit, audio, text, overlay and so on. Tap on this option of edit. Under edit you'll find different options as split, speed, animation, style and so on. Select this option of style, tap on it. Now just scroll to the right. Now at the very end you will find this option of auto velocity, tap on it. Now it's in the process to be applied to your video. Wait for a few seconds. And you can see that I have just applied auto velocity to this video. So this is how you can do velocity edits automatically with CapCut. You can go through the same process to apply this effect to other videos as well. I hope now you guys are clear about how to do velocity edits automatically with CapCut. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.